Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to mark any image or a text as a spoiler tag. So if you want to add or you want to send some text as a spoiler, then go head over to your channel in Discord and let's do go. And now you can see this is our chat box. So you just need to click on this add button. When you click on add button, you have to choose the images that you want to send. So suppose I'm going to send some image from here. I'll send some this image. So suppose I'm sending this image as a spoiler. So first of all, press or hold this image, and when you hold this image, now scroll down and you will see the mark as a spoiler option here. You can see, just check this option, and when you check this option, now you can see that it is now hide. So whenever any user want to check it, just he has to just click on this to see of the preview, and you can also add the description here if you want. Now this is very easy step. Now if you want to add any text or send any text as a spoiler, how will you do that? So it has some format here. So first of all, you have to go to this this option, and now you have to choose double bar here. You can see this bar, and now you can add some text here. I am adding text as spoiler. Now once you done with your text, just add double bar again, and now you can send this. So now you can see that the text has been sent as a spoiler, the image. So you can see it has been marked as a spoiler, and if someone wants to check it, he just that guy, he has to just tap on the spoiler to see the text. As you can see, it is now, and if he wants to check, then he just need to click on the spoiler, and he will be able to check the photo and text. Fine. So yeah, that's how you can add any text or an image as a spoiler in Discord. I hope you like it. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment sections in the next video. Till then, bye bye.